Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add crypto payments in Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account and click on the settings icon down here. Then click on the Payments tab right here. Then click Add Payment Method. You can choose to search via payment methods or by provider. So just search here. For example, I'm going to search Bitcoin. And then just click on it, and then Shopify will provide a list of Bitcoin payment providers. Just choose the one that you think is the most appropriate. And then just click on this arrow icon right here and follow the step-by-step process Shopify will show you. And that is how you can easily add crypto payments to your Shopify store. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.